Problems on divisibility. This is next topic in our induction. Problems on divisibility. Or problems on division. So this is one of the important topic in this. So here we have one question which is there in example. First we need to start with that. Example number 3. The question is 49 whole to the power n plus 16n minus 1. The question is 49 whole to the power n plus 16n minus 1 is divisible by 64. This is the question. So for that one we need solution. So we are writing solution. So let P of n, we are taking this as P of n is equal to 49 whole to the power n plus 16n minus 1. Let this is true for n is equal to 1. P of 1 is equal to 49 to the power 1, that is 49 plus 16 into 1, 16 minus 1, that is equal to 49 plus 16, 65. 65 minus 1 goes to 64. Therefore n is equal to 1 is true. N is equal to 1 is true. Now assume that this is true for n is equals to k. So replace n as k. So P of k is equal to 49 whole to the power k plus 16k minus 1 is equal to 64 into t. Here we got 64 into like 1. For that one here we are writing it as 64 into t. For some t belongs to z. Z value goes to any number 0 plus or minus values whatever it may be. So for some t belongs to z implies this one we are converting to our requirement conditions. So 49 to the power k can be written as 64 into t minus 16k plus 1. We are making this as equation 1. So now we need to show this is true for n is equal to k plus 1. We need to show this is true for n is equal to k plus 1. Consider now here we need to go for k plus 1th term. Direct conditional we are taking here, nothing is to be added. So previous problems only adding is there, but here nothing is to be added. So 49 to the power k plus 1. Before that one just we need to go for p of k plus 1th term. P of k plus 1th term is equal to 49 to the power k plus 1 plus 16 times of k plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 49 to the power k into 49. According to algebra formula, a power m plus n can be written as a power m into a power n. Next to 16k plus 16 minus 1. So here 49 to the power k into 49 plus 16k, 16 minus 1 can be written as 15. By the condition number 1, 49 power k value we are expanding here. 49 power k, by condition number 1 we are writing that value. What is that value from equation 1? 64t minus 16k plus 1 into 49 plus 16k plus 15 is equal to 64t. We are multiplying inside 49 minus 16k times of 49 plus 49 plus 16k into 1 plus 15 is equal to 64t. I am writing as it is into 49. Here we have 16k is 49 times, 16k is 1 time. So 49 minus 49 plus 1, that is minus 48. So 16k times of 48 plus 49 plus 15, that goes to 64. Now here we can take entirely common 64. This can be written as 4090 minus 16 into 48 can go 64. How much will be left out there? Just a minute. 48 can be written as 12 into 4 into 68 is also there. 64 left out, something 12k. Right, 12k plus 1. Therefore 64 into some yes, for some yes belongs to z. Therefore p of n is equal to 69 whole to the power 49 whole to the power n plus 16k minus 1 is divisible by 64. So hence the answer.